Hey guys, in this video, we'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. And the first thing I want you to do is just launch up Trust Wallet, and here on the home page, come and click on Buy. Okay, you'll see all your different cryptocurrencies. Just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see BTC. If you don't see BTC, that's okay. Click on Manage Crypto, and you should see Bitcoin right here. You can toggle it on, or you can search it up. BTC right there, that's Bitcoin. Toggle that one on, then come back, and then you should see it listed as an option under your crypto. Okay, now all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on it, and then come here and just click on Buy. And it'll ask you what payment method you would like to use depending on your country, and then just select the amount and complete the transaction. And it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.